Let's go. Come on. Yeah. I could really use a ride. Actually, I got a better idea. You're a dead man! Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. You need help? Mister, you alive?
Fuck. God damn it. Good heavens.
Excuse me?
I said, no, I'm not okay. Do I look like I'm okay?
You look pretty good for a corpse.
Praise be.
Move up, mister. Time to get you to a doctor or an undertaker. Whichever you need once we get to town.
St. Peter, open up them pearly gates. I'm coming home.
Come on, mister. Come on.
sorry, sir. I'm bleeding like a badly butchered hog.
You'll be fine. Just focus.
You better take the reins. I don't think I'm strong enough. I'm finished. Done for.
Just sit up straight, will you?
The closest doctor is in Armadillo. What is your name, friend?
John Marston.
Oh, good God! Out of the frying pan into the fire.
Excuse
How
me.
many outlaws can a man encounter in one day?
You must have me mistaken with somebody else, friend.
The Pollard twins, Walton's gang. I know who you are. Get back! I'm done for. For the love of God, stick to the road! That's it! Sound the salute! Clear the way! Is that all of them? Praise be! There's still hope!
What the hell happened to you?
Bandits! Hoodlums! The scoundrels robbed me blind and left me to die!
I can see that.
Once again, a victim of my own success. They seem a man in a well-cut suit and this happens!
Do you know who they were?
No idea. I'm not the kind of man who has enemies. We must hurry!
You do now.
I give so much and still they take. We live in an uncivilized and graceless world, friend. They don't appear to be giving up. There's Armadillo! Master John! Master! Dizzy! So dizzy! Dad, I embrace you.
For Christ's sakes, man, you're gonna be fine. We're nearly there.
Take me into your arms.
You need more than a doctor, my friend. This is it. You're gonna make it.
Where the devil are we?
Armadillo. We made it safe, you'll be happy to know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're a gentleman and a true man of honor.
Coming from you, I doubt that means much, but I appreciate the civility.
I owe you, sir. And I always pay my debts. Jesus. But if I die, I'm sorry for it. If not, I'll be your man for...
Let's get you fixed up first. Then we'll decide what you're my man for.
Howdy, mister. Hey! I heard them goblins was looking like your eye.
Hello.
Those tumbleweed varmints are always lynching folks for no good reason. Did you say something?
Let's go. Come on. Ain't no need to die, friend. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Amen. Come on. You found that no good piece of dirt. Thank you.
Mister. I wish that boy till he cried for his mama. Oh, I ain't got time for this nonsense. Hello there! There's treasure buried out by Rεsεяvαdσs. I know it. I intend to find it.
I think Miss Largent told me the same thing. Yeah, right. Been attacking trains.
I need to write my mother back in the home.
Coming your way. Yeehaw!
Big shipment of tobacco set to arrive tomorrow.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Years, but looking at you, I feel something.
I ain't one to gossip, but I heard you know you was pregnant. Again. Well, I'd love to carry on all day.
I'm back. Yes, sir. Hey there.